Okay, so Daan, what are we doing? What is this?
I don't know, subframe base behind chassis thing. Apparently it's not completely useless.
The chassis strengthening thing, but apparently this is a better one than the one you had.
It is improved on the other one, it's just like 4.
What are we doing with it?
Sandblasting it and putting it into hammerite.
Yeah. Did you grab the hammerite?
No, not yet.
Did you grab the brake cleaner? Clean it off?
No.
Did you grab some paper towels?
No, it was cold. I just hurried, you're right. We still need to do that.
Okay, let's grab that. It's cold. Daan's warming his hand with the...
This is safe to drive, right?
Driving with your...
Or you can just do it like this.
Full throttle. Give it all the... How many horses?
62.
62 horses.
68, something like that.
60 something horses of pure fury.
Okay.
And because you have tiny wheels, you have short gear ratios, so it's sporty.
Exactly. Watch out guys, because I've got all your horses.
Daan, ready to blast?
Ready to blast. Oh yeah, well.
Yeah, that works. Yeah. It isn't really a nice size for this cabin.
No. Jim is doing the finishing touches, but you can't hear it.
Yeah, Daan did most of the work.
Shiny. We got a nice blanket for it.
Terrible weather.
Yeah.
It started snowing. It never snows. And now it snows.
Yeah. And now it already started started raining again, so it's rain, snow, it's a worse.
Yeah.
We'll get over.
Look at this Civic. That's nice. Look at the wang on that. Alright, so that was pretty easy, way easier than when I did all my subframe stuff, because those were also hollow. So yeah, now what do you think?
It's a lot better than using the Dremel and hating my life. So I say great success.
See you guys in the next
Clip when we're going to hammerite the shit out of it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna hammerite it. Done. Show us the move.
Those are not the moves.
We have this piece of cardboard to protect the car, but it's probably doing absolutely nothing. Okay, recap. Last time we tried fixing the engine, but oil came out everywhere. And
Mostly the back.
so that's a recap. Daan?
Yeah, and I found out where it's coming from. It is in the valve cover. It's the gas sensor. Let's say it's the gas sensor plug that's there because the earlier versions NAs have the gas sensor there at the back,
So
but this one has it here.
This thingy. Oh, this is still loose as well.
Yeah, why is it loose?
Why didn't you tighten it?
I thought I did. Maybe I didn't.
Okay, so we're finding more problems.
This way isn't leaking yet.
But anyway, this on the old cars is on the
It's
back.
on the back and it's quite a big space. So we found a round cap that I can't find anymore, which used to belong there probably, but I can't check it because we can't find the fucking cap. So I'm suspecting Jim of having it thrown it away.
No.
So, but it literally means that here is now a gap directly into the engine. That's probably the reason why it's very leaky. And if we're lucky, that was also the cause of the original leak, because I don't think I've changed the thing at the back downwards or anything. So it probably happened by itself over time. And we'll see if we fix it by putting in an original spare one.
Right, we got some more Hammerite. We got some egg rolls.
Let's see if this one works better.
Fuck it up, Daan.
You.
How's your egg roll?
Very nice.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Jim, review, how's the focaccia?
It was a pepperoni focaccia, but I already ate all the pepperoni, but it's pretty good.
Right, and what are we gonna do?
Yeah, that's it for today. We painted the subframe
Brace
brace
thing.
thing.
So, and then because it's quite cold, we don't have to put it on anytime soon. We'll just let it dry and probably do another final coat after it dried up, so to make sure it's really thick and doesn't rust anytime soon.
Yeah. All right, guys. See you in the next one.
2 weeks later.
Right, we're here at Mike. Mike's over here.
You.
And we just picked up an old jack you had from your grandpa.
Yeah.
So it's, we already loaded it in the back of the car. So it is an absolute unit. It barely fits in my car. Should make jacking stuff up a bit easier.
Yeah. Very easy.
So yeah, I guess we'll just head to the garage. Alright, so this isn't sketchy at all. Corbin and I just spent half an hour pushing Daan's car back and forth in the garage because he parked it in the middle of the garage and we needed space. So that was a lot of fun. But anyway, now we're gonna work on Corbin's car. Corbin, what are we doing?
So I bought a midpipe and we're gonna try to put it on.
Did you buy all the stuff we need?
It should be in the package.
So Corbin didn't buy any extra gaskets or anything, so we're gonna have to see if we need those, and if we do need those, we need to quickly run to the shop and try and find some. Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. What's that?
Manual.
The instructions. Step 1, make sure you have the right gaskets. Oh yeah, it also has a sticker. Oh here. Mullion. Oh, you have a gasket. You actually have a gasket, Corbin.
Yeah. Holy shit, look at this. How do you call this? Tightener?
That is a hose clamp. Kind of.
It is light and shiny.
Is it titanium? No, it's not.
Stainless
It's
steel.
Stainless steel, yeah. If it was titanium, this would cost more than your car.
Yeah.
It's a musical instrument. Well, how does this? What does the other one sound like? I need to know. Can we make music with this? So how does that one sound? Oh, that's like. Or you can probably play. You Really Got Me Now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it worked. It actually worked. Okay, Van Halen confirmed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. Did you ever think you play Van Halen on your 2.5 inch midpipe for your MX5?
No. But it works.
Yeah. Alright, Got some coffee. We have the MX5 in here. We have the absolute unit of a jack. We have El Corbino. So let's go. This new jack is pretty awesome. You just threw it under there and then in one go the MX5 is this high. Usually we have to go a couple of times before we get anything this high. So Mike, thanks a lot. Corbin, what do you think?
Yeah, because with the other one, you have to put it, it doesn't go high enough. So you have to put it on...
we need all the slabs and stuff, and we need to like jack it up once and then do another layer and then jack it up again, and it sucks.
Thanks, Mike.
Okay, let's do the midpipe. Hell yeah. These glasses are kind of f***ed. We'll have to.
Jesus.
Hold up. Come on, Corbin. Okay, so here we have step 1 of the exhaust. Corbin, this is only step 1. Well, do we need to remove this thing actually? We might have enough space to just shimmy it through from the front. Or do you want to keep fighting these things? If you can get this one off, we can get the new one on.
Yeah, you can try.
Okay, Corbin, you did this one. So if it's too tight, you have no one to blame but yourself. It's actually very nice. The weather hasn't been this good in quite a while. Like, I'm just sitting here enjoying the sun, watching Corbin fight with rusty bolts. Okay, so the bolts are still stuck. I got the big bar. I tried hammering it and I hit my knuckle. So now Corbin's gonna try again. What we could do is put a jack under that.
The what?
Put a jack under the bar. Then jack up the bar, break it off that way. Do you know what I mean? Jesus. Did it work? So the socket's stuck. Hey. Did you hit your knuckle?
This is fucking insane.
There you go. When in doubt, ugga dugga. Alright, we went to the store, got some 16 bolts, hopefully those will work. Also, got some lunch at the infamous broodje burger. I got free candle broodje.
Jesus Christ.
Hopefully that'll work.
Or else it's rip. Yeah.
Corbin's gonna see if he can get the 16 sockets that we bought hammered on. It is actually a spark plug socket, but it's the only one they had that was 16, so let's see if it fits. Maybe
nobody uses 16 apparently.
No, who uses 16?
It's 15 and then 17.
Yeah.
So rip.
So yeah, the bolt was rusted enough that it looks more like a 16 than a 17, so hopefully this will fit. Right? Seems to fit. Hit it. Think? What?
stuck.
Oh God.
One.
I can loop the bolt on the top. Give it all you have, Corbin. Do you
Huh?
need that pipe of power? Oh, we're f***ing the bolt. Jesus Christ. Everything is just rusted to shit. The rust is stronger than the bolt itself. What's the plan? Just order new bolts and then grind these next time and just put new bolts in?
Yeah, I think so, right?
It's probably better.
These are the same as the ones that came loose, you think?
What do you mean, same size?
Yeah, it says 10 on them, all of them.
Yeah, then they should be all the same bolts. The ones you took out are all the same? The ones in the middle, the bolt it's stuck to the flange. But if you just grind it and find a new bolt that goes through, you can just drill it out and put just a regular bolt instead of one with a flat head. So we are putting all the bolts back on. And if you're wondering why are we putting all the bolts back on, Corbin,
What?
why are we putting all the bolts back on?
Because they're fucked. I'm gonna order new ones and then we can just grind these, destroy these, and then hopefully put it with the new ones.
We'll order some new bolts and then next time we can just annihilate the ones that are on there. Corbin, one thing to learn from this is if you have to unbolt something, assume the bolts are messed up and you need new bolts, always.
Yep.
Car's back on the ground. Corbin, today was...
Okay.
Well, yeah, we didn't screw anything up, but also we didn't do anything. We basically did nothing today.
Well, it was like orientation, and then we came.
We did recon.
Yeah, and then it
We
was like,
literally-
oh, the bolts are all.
It's everything
Of course.
is messed up. Yeah.
Could have seen it coming though.
So order some L12s, and then next time we'll
Hopefully.
put the new bolts. That's it. We did nothing. Okay, thanks. Bye. See you next time.